Our environment is not silent anymore. Noise pollution everywhere. Street noise, aircraft noise, but also rail traffic noise. Almost around the clock we are exposed to noises. Noise has become a threat to our health. Railroad is on its way, no doubt about it. Thanks to reduced pollutant emission in comparison to cars and aircraft, it is one of the environmentally acceptable means of transportation. However, railroad needs to become more silent in the future, as about a fifth of the population lives alongside railroad tracks. Since 1999, Z-bloc has successfully been combating noise alongside tracks. Its aim to improve the well-being of people and animals. It is an innovative and eco-friendly solution for noise protection. The principle is as simple as brilliant. Z-bloc is a low anti-noise barrier installed next to the tracks placed on the embankment of the railway. The noise is effectively reduced directly at its source, the rolling wheels under the wagons. The advantage of the element's building technique is that it has positive effects not only in channel absorption between wagon and anti-noise barrier, but also in chamber absorption under the wagon. For 10 years, these anti-noise barriers have been successfully used in Scandinavia. To introduce the patented system also in Germany, some professional noise reduction measurements on several different test tracks must be carried out first. The first measurements will take place before the initial construction starts. Without the low-lying noise reduction blocks, the noise can spread unhindered through the environment, which is an enormous stress factor for the people living nearby. What exactly is Z-bloc? The licensee within a certain country manufactures blocks which are 3.5 meters long and 1 meter high, made of weatherproof fiber concrete. The absorber consists of weatherproof rubber granulate and air gaps. This combination ensures that the noise waves can penetrate the material. The noise is absorbed through the friction of the waves with the material pores. The material and the building technique of the anti-noise barrier make it extremely resistant and enable a durability of at least 50 years without maintenance. As production expenditures are kept low during production, the investment costs in Z-bloc are generally half of those for conventional anti-noise barriers. Another cost-cutting factor is that the parts are easy to assemble on location. Z-bloc uses existing space on the railway embankment, thus avoiding reconstruction measures of platforms or track systems. Also, there are no costly foundation works, as the barrier parts are positioned only 270 mm below the upper edge of the track. Due to the net weight of 3.4 tons, no additional assembly joints are necessary. The low construction height of the blocks, as well as the reduced space needed, allow a cost-effective and simple assembly with only minor effects on the environment. The anti-noise barrier only protrudes 73 cm above the upper edge of the track. Therefore, costly experts' reports to evaluate possible effects on the environment aren't necessary. But can such low anti-noise barriers really absorb noise? International measurements have proved that Z-bloc reduces the noise that people feel they hear by about 50%. The advantages of the Z-bloc technology in comparison to conventional noise protection systems are impressive. The blocks effectively reduce the source of noise directly alongside the tracks and optically blend into the landscape. The low material production expenditures, as well as a simple assembly of the blocks at the railway embankment, reduce the costs in the project stage. Another advantage: Z-bloc is more or less indestructible due to its durability and thus an effective investment if you intend to return a bit of silence to the environment. Nature will appreciate it.